Hi friends, welcome back to Chenna Tech Point. Today we will see how to create a elastic Beanstalk in AWS. Go to AWS console. In search bar type elastic Beanstalk. Select this service. You can see Amazon Elastic Beanstalk. Click on create application. My application name is my demo. If you want, select the application tags, add here, select the platform. I am selecting Tomcat and automatically added the Tomcat 8.5 and version 4.3.4. We want to upload any code, we can upload here. Otherwise, present I am taking sample application. Click on create application. The advantage of Elastic Beanstalk is it automatically creates the EC2 instance and network related settings, and it will automatically create the S3 bucket also. Everything is taken care by Elastic Beanstalk. It will reduce the burden on developer. It will take some time. You can see application started. Amazon S3 storage bucket for environment. And it will create the security groups as well. Here you can see Elastic Beanstalk created this EC2 instance. Instance is running. And it will manage the load balances also. One load balancer also added in EC2 dashboard. Everything will take care by the Elastic Beanstalk. Security groups also created. Here you can see these two security groups is created by Elastic Beanstalk with the name my demo. In S3 bucket also one bucket is created. You can see Elastic Beanstalk. It will create one bucket. Added all the Elastic Beanstalk files and resources. You can see environment is ready. It will generate the one URL. env, click on this URL. You can see sample application is uploaded and running successfully. In this way we can use Elastic Beanstalk to deploy any other projects. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more updates.